The role of financial executives has expanded beyond compliance and oversight. In modern enterprises, these leaders now shape growth trajectories and define long-term direction. Positioned at the center of budgeting, capital allocation, and strategy, they turn financial data into actionable insight that drives every corner of the organization. Today's financial executives bridge operational detail and high-level vision, managing liquidity while advising on investment opportunities, market positioning, and competitive response. When done effectively, this approach links budgeting with growth and ensures that resources flow toward strategic priorities. Aligning budgeting with growth goals. A well-structured budget serves as a roadmap for expansion. Financial executives use it to direct resources toward future growth, not just control spending. Treating budgeting as a forward-looking process allows finance teams to identify high-return opportunities. Perhaps a digital service outperforming others or a product line showing strong demand. Forecasting and scenario planning strengthen this process, helping guard against uncertainty and ensuring agility in shifting markets. Collaboration across departments is equally important. Operations can flag inefficiencies, while marketing highlights campaigns that drive the best returns. When finance integrates these perspectives, budgeting becomes a shared growth exercise. This collaborative approach transforms static budgets into dynamic tools that support resilience and innovation. Building budgets that drive value. Budgets should indicate where the company aims to grow, not simply where to save. Financial executives who focus solely on past numbers risk missing future opportunities. Value-driven budgeting means setting priorities based on impact, identifying which activities best advance strategic goals. Performance metrics are vital for this alignment. A manufacturer, for example, might track cost per unit, order value, or return rates. Comparing these against targets reveals whether spending drives value or needs adjustment. With clear metrics, departments understand how their actions contribute to growth, encouraging smarter resource use. A budget connected to strategy becomes a compass, guiding decisions and freeing teams to experiment with new products or markets while maintaining fiscal control. Linking financial insights to strategy. Financial executives translate raw data into strategy. They connect budget numbers to business stories, explaining trends, evaluating trade-offs, and helping leaders make informed decisions. Working across teams ensures all departments understand financial goals and risks. For instance, if software development costs rise, finance weighs potential returns and helps determine whether to proceed or pivot. When sales outpace expectations, finance ensures extra earnings are invested wisely to sustain growth. This continuous loop of insight and action makes financial strategy tangible and effective. Leading from the boardroom. Financial executives now play a bigger role than ever as trusted advisors, says Alvin Kressler, a seasoned executive in financial services and fintech. Their perspective shapes which ventures deserve funding and what risks the company takes. At the board level, financial leaders bring clarity on cost, risk, and reward, grounding decisions in data. To excel, they communicate with precision. Concise visuals, trend lines, and summaries help board members grasp insights quickly. By connecting numbers to results, such as linking marketing spend to higher sales, finance builds trust and credibility, driving consensus and long-term value. Strategic initiatives often spark debate. Financial executives guide these discussions toward alignment by framing decisions with facts and forecasts. They address concerns constructively, prepare best and worst-case scenarios, and emphasize long-term impact over short-term reactions. Ultimately, financial executives are not just gatekeepers of capital, they are architects of growth. By aligning budgets with strategy, turning data into clear action, and communicating effectively at the highest levels, they help organizations pursue bold goals with confidence and discipline.